Welcome to Super Deals Alert. Discover the 5 top-rated car battery jump starters designed to keep you prepared for any unexpected battery emergencies. These portable and reliable devices are perfect for a wide range of engines and include features like flashlights, air compressors, and fast charging capabilities. Whether you're at home or on the road, these tools ensure you're never stranded. Let's explore our top 5 selections. Number 1. NOCO Boost Plus GB41000A UltraSafe Car Battery Jump Starter, 12V Battery Pack, Battery Booster, Jump Box, Portable Charger and Jumper Cables for 6.0L gasoline and 3.0L diesel engines. Number 2. AstroAI S8 Car Battery Jump Starter, 1500A Jump Starter Battery Pack for up to 6.0L gas and 3.0L diesel engines, 12V Portable Jump Box with 3 modes flashlight and jumper cable. Number 3. NEXPOW Car Jump Starter Car Battery Jump Starter Pack 1500A Peak Q10S for up to 7.0L gas and 5.5L diesel engine 12V Auto Battery Booster, Jumper Cables Portable Lithium Jump Box with LED light / USB QC 3.0. Number 4. YaberAuto Portable Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor, YaberAuto 150 PSI 3500A Car Battery Jump Starter, 9.0 gas / 8.0L diesel, 12V Jump Box Car Battery Jumper Starter with large LCD display, lights. Number 5. SCATAC 011 3000A Car Battery Jump Starter, 12V Jump Starter Battery Pack, up to 9.0L gasoline and 7.0L diesel engine, portable jump box with 3 modes flashlight and jumper cable. The links to these products are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!